Inside of the theme park entrances. Thank you for joining us, and your ultimate fan experience begins now.
Here we are, two weirdos that are community kids. Dressed up, don't touch me, in my old 1980s. No hugs. Sure, okay.
5 minutes.
Yeah. You guys are
Step forward, adventurers. Waterdeep is counting on you.
Oh, that is sick.
And here I am, long-lay star shadow, far too patient for my own good. We don't have much time. Now where could I hide the quest details of? Oh, I wasn't worried about that. I mean, she is gorgeous, but not relevant to our mission. Only the very skilled can awaken the magic orb. Listen, the glasses. Gently touch it and check if it answers you. Illusion, you have quite the ability. Janitor, the evil crime lord, once again seeks to destroy the city of Waterdeep. This time, the dragon staff of Avalon. He has aligned with the powerful red dragon, Seagon, to remove the dragon war barrier that prevents dragons from entering the city of Waterdeep. You, along with Rockery and Evelyn, the leaders of your local harbors. Is it all we need? Marvelous. Your mission, my friends, is clear. Find your harbor leaders. You can put your hand down, silly. Steal back the dragon star and save Waterdeep. Huzzah! Huzzah! That's what I like to hear. And right on time, Rockery and Evelina.
Somebody go for a hero? I am not that ugly. Everybody come over.
We go adventure.
First time party? It is awesome. Come on in.
It's a bar.
Hello, hello. Good to see you. Who would like to be my cleric? Everyone wants for a cleric. Hey, Evelina! Any luck with the rod of absorption?
See it properly.
Well, without the rod, the dragon says too strong to steal back. Of course, you stole Dipto's tracker.
What? You threw it out. That hand is juice that can make dead.
Ooh, wait the dead juice. All right, adventurers. Our bad guy Xanathar is a real thing and he takes care of demons.
Yeah, sounds familiar.
When we find him, we may need your help with a vicious mockery spell. Watch and learn.
He's something to Panasonic.
The master has won.
That was embarrassing.
You're ugly. You smell bad. You're a terrible fish father. Everybody.
The Dragon Ward no longer protects your city. Waterdeep will burn and all of your treasure will now
Nobody here is freaking out. Oh yeah, because I am right. Right around. This, that.
Finally, correctly
too.
It looks like the wand of lightning bolts.
Oh, what? Oh, you gonna take that too?
No.
Huh, this looks like a puzzle, but why would somebody put a puzzle right here?
Oh, it's our way out. If we can solve it, then we can unlock the doors wherever they are, unless you have a better plan.
I always have a better plan. Watch. Where's my cleric, huh? Where? Ah, there you go. Wiggle your arms around. Let's get the dancing lights on. Perfect. Thank you. Whoa. Nice singing trinkets. Never.
Wait, the doors. This must be the entrance to Xanathar's lair.
My fighters, do you detect any dangerous creatures? Are we safe underground, everybody? We okay? You are silent, I will take that as a yes. Look! Hey, behind you! I'm not to the moon for it. Wow, that worked. I mean, I do it all the time.
Don't lie.
What?
Yes. No.
Be quiet. The dragon staff! Oh, sorry, the dragon staff! Maybe that mysterious wand of yours will save us! Oh, sorry, yes. Okay, I have the rod of old torsion right here, the dragon staff. Let's do this. Quiet. Sorry, everybody. I think we're...
From Xanathar. No. It's time to take a deep, permanent sleep.
Oh, baby, the fish! Be careful!
Ow! My baby!
Quick! Vicious mockery smell! Now!
My sight, my Silgar. I'll protect you.
Baby, let me help! Oh, now she's asking for 10 minutes. See? You can't be reliable with this sleep stuff. Nobody has ever asked for 5 minutes and actually done it. Let's wake up the...
Foolish Brockery and Evelina. Did you really think you did this yourselves? It was I, Lanole Star Shadow.
The wand is alive?
Nothing can stop me now.
Amy, you've got this!
Welcome to the cult of the dragon!
Whoa! The dragon staff's in my bag! Water deep is safe! Our mission is complete! Yay! Evelina now has friends!
Thank you. Recognize you. Quick old guy. No, that's his name. No, the sign right there. Ready to go over. Just see out from here.
Really? Scouting, I'm right here. Why can I be?
Anyone else stand on any open star for me? On header nose, down, starting with everyone. I don't know what to do.
Sir Emmett Brown!
Right, Scott. You're just in time. I'm Dr. Emmett Brown, and you're about to witness one of the most important days in scientific history. The day I discovered time travel.
Well, I'm waiting for you to tell me you're done.
Before I call the cop, get out of here with that. Before I
Hearts and prayer, tippy-tay, hear it down when the stars make it blue, just like a prospect.
No, it's just a try. Now, enjoy the band. Thank you, Mr. Strickland. And one more thing, I will be doing perimeter checks. And I will be issuing detention as needed. Beginning with you, young lady. Good evening, thank you.
Monday afternoon, and if you're tired, I will Ray. Hopefully this will straighten you out. Ray, I'll go home and change, have some integrity, have some honesty, decency, just like Mayor Ray Thomas. Now I see for the school paper, so I want you to stand with me. We're going to straighten you out right now, Ray. Hold that up and with the other finger go like so. Repeat after me. No slackers! No slackers! To show up. Wow. Enjoy the dance. Try to.
Students, remember, we are only as strong as we are united, as weak as we are divided. Together now, one's in the air and at the ready. Lumos, salem! We all have both light and dark inside us. What matters most is the part we choose to act on. For pride, ambition.
acceptance and a place in this world, just like all the rest. Yes, well said. Now these creatures are... Hello? Have I changed the school uniform?
Maybe. Oh, what is
I'll tell you in a sec. While in the spaceport, due to Federation Regulation FC-204.
Big Goldsmith was from the first original Star Trek movie. And they used it for Star Trek.
Tours of some of the most celebrated Starfleet vessels to have ever ventured among the stars. Our staff is dedicated to preserving and restoring Starship history. And today,
enjoy the tour, guys. For a tour.
Approaching Federation Museum.
Stand wherever you like, as long as you're within those yellow lines. Welcome aboard. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. Very seriously here at the Starfleet Museum. Attention. But take a look at that view. It really is so
good. We should be safe here until we figure out what's going on with this ship. That doesn't make any sense. What in the neutral zone is going on here? That's not right. All this old tech keeps not functioning. Computer, analyze the energy signature of the anomaly. Is it isolated to this area?
Negative. Anomaly present.
Who sent you here? All the way in. Make room for everyone, please. The sick bay sent them here. Engineering, the sick bay. Comms are down. In sick bay as well. Tour room really shouldn't be in here. No matter. They are here now. See if there's a way to slow it down. Oh, we need to reverse the polarity of the warp core. It's destabilizing. We are losing magnetic containment. Have you tried?
Be calm, we'll have you off this ship soon. Computer, transporter room now. Computer, acknowledge.
Where's the tour room here?
Clear the turbos doors. Please, on the way, calm, you will be safe here.
Go ahead and swing over this way if need be.
Be all right.
Stay where you are. We will get through this together. Somehow.
Engineering, do you remain? No use comms or lockdown.
Okay, even environmental population.
What do we do?
Fire control torpedo.
Offline. Get ready to see you later. Nothing is responding. We are locked out.
Translation request confirmed.
What's that?
Establishing comms.
What? Who's doing that?
The entity is accessing the ship's universal translator.
Stand by for incoming transmission.
Greetings. We mean you no harm. We apologize for concern. We were curious, fascinated by your kind.
Did we just make first contact?
sick. Let's just go. Hurry.
So there was a gold, there's a gold ocean there?
Everything like so out.
Maybe it's my color. No.
Well, it's Eric's color. Here, go back, stand back. Yeah.
Yeah, so wrong.
Put it on the into the universe that Alex is gonna get everything that he wants.
Is there anything that's open at this time?
Not sure.
Everything's closed. Looks like.
Vivo.
Not enough people to warrant for stay.
Didn't you some clothes anyway?
Yeah, I think so.